Kamienia szpula rasa, młody. Szpula rasa, tak?
Wait, that doesn't say flights. Search kayak for great deals on car hire. Kayak.
Where were you fucking going, you silly bitch? Jesus Christ.
Engineering, right? Nobody's opposing cell phones. So for the most part, science and religion are actually getting along just fine.
Well, you mentioned cosmology, Mary Jane, but that potentially is one area where there's at least a discussion to be had between science and religion, because science is aiming to, of course, develop ideas about how the universe began, and that is something that traditionally religion seems to have spoken to, the idea that it was created by God. Where does that sort of discussion stand today?
I would say that there's really nothing to say about the components of the physical world. He says in that letter to Castelli, he says, look, if Scripture wanted to talk to us about the configuration and nature of the planets, they actually would have mentioned the planets, but Scripture doesn't talk about it, so it's a terrible place to be.
Clip was uploaded to Operation Snap West Midlands. Reply will be shown at the end of the clip. Undertaking using a live bus lane and cutting up a car through bad lane choice on the roundabout.
C17, Mike, Charlie, go.
It's a roundabout, take the second exit on 4540 towards Stratford.
Video protected.
Swearing at me?
Yeah, I said you're a fucking idiot. You could have
Why
gone
am
round
I a
me.
fucking idiot?
Yeah, you could have gone round me.
Why am I a
You're
fucking
not
idiot?
meant to be riding on pavement. It's a public
See that
path.
sign?
It's a public
See
path.
that sign?
It's a public path.
What does that
mate.
sign say?
It's a public path, mate.
Shared use pathway. Learn.
Okay.
I slowed down, rang my bell and waited.
And I didn't hear
And you
because
call me a
I've got
fucking
both my-
idiot.
Oh,
Jesus.
I've got both my headphones in.
You know what?
I've gone round me.
Fucking, I did go around you. I did go around you.
No, because I stopped.
Can't believe this. What am I supposed to do? Just ride into you? Jesus Christ, man, you got attitude problems.
Yeah, so do you.
Yeah, you're a fucking arsehole. Jesus Christ. What? What?
What are you saying?
Fucking pulling on me?
Am I driving? I'm not driving.
No,
mate.
so why are you running in here?
Right, well-
Why are you done? Now get back up here. Go and beat it. Fucking pulling on me, so I called you a fucking wanker. Aye, because you didn't fucking look.
Well, I'm a wanker. Wait there till my barrel.
Aye, fuck you if I could.